In this video, we are going to explore some important legal cases on different celebs in which Jennifer Lawrence wants to reveal some hidden facts. These cases offer a significant background and contrast to the misleading assertions that Jennifer Lawrence made in courtrooms. Taking this method not only strengthens the message regarding disinformation, but also engages readers by providing them with real-world examples that are prominent. Jennifer Lawrence reveals everything in court, including the truth behind the viral claim and the culture of celebrity courtroom obsession. "They tried to buy my silence" is the title of Jennifer Lawrence's testimony. The rumor that a celebrity exposes everything in a courtroom is one of the few things that spreads more quickly than other things in a media ecosystem hungry for scandal. The internet flew into a frenzy when it was reported that Jennifer Lawrence, an actress who had won an Academy Award, had made stunning discoveries in court. According to the reports, she supposedly stated, "They tried to buy my silence." Countless videos, social media posts, and blog pieces speculated wildly about the supposed case, linking Lawrence's name to music mogul Sean Diddy Combs, continuing abuse investigations, and shady entertainment business dealings. These speculations were based on assumptions that were made about the situation. However, even though this tale has gained a lot of attention on the internet, the reality is much less dramatic and simpler. Not only has Jennifer Lawrence not provided testimony in court, but she has also not been linked to any current legal problem that has involved Diddy or other people of a similar nature. This is not an exceptional circumstance. It sheds light on a growing trend in which celebrity courtroom drama has evolved into a sort of digital entertainment, regardless of whether or not it is based on accurate events. Additionally, to comprehend how a fully invented narrative, such as Jennifer Lawrence's expose in the courtroom, garners traction, it is beneficial to examine real-life instances in which celebrities find themselves at the center of significant and contentious legal issues. Not only did the defamation trial between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp take place in courtrooms, but it also took place over TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube live streams. This dispute is considered to be one of the most notorious instances that has occurred in recent years. Daily, millions of people tuned in to watch the trial, which was transformed into a spectacle by lurid allegations, intimate recordings, and emotional testimonials. It was a striking demonstration of how easily genuine trauma can be appropriated for views, memes, and financial gain, that the line between entertainment and ethics became increasingly blurry. Then there was the case of Britney Spears' conservatorship, which after years of rumors, eventually made its way into the public media and caused headlines all over the world. The Number Free Britney movement, which started as a fringe internet campaign, finally resulted in the revelation of distressing truths regarding the pop star's lack of personal agency, financial autonomy, and the institutional legal procedures that had kept her quiet. The public's perception of celebrity autonomy, mental health, and parental authority in the entertainment industry was irrevocably altered as a result of this case, which was grounded in reality and accompanied by profound distress. Even the continuing investigations into Sean Diddy Combs, which entails serious charges ranging from abuse to sex trafficking and racketeering, have become fuel for discussion. It was not via any genuine association that Jennifer Lawrence's name was incorrectly injected into this discussion. Rather, it was merely because her prominence made her an easy vehicle for clickbait. The method is straightforward. Choose a name that is easily identifiable, connect it to a current issue even if it is just tangentially related, and add some dramatic wording such as exposed or truth revealed, and you will have viral gold, regardless of whether the material is factual or not. In our day and age, the importance of views is frequently more than that of proof. Jennifer Lawrence, on the other hand, has never been shy about speaking freely about her life, the demands of Hollywood, and the painful invasion of her privacy that occurred during the iCloud hack in 2014, which released her intimate images without her knowledge. Her statement at the time was brave and unflinching. She referred to it as a sexual offense and condemned media outlets for continuing to promote the exploitation of women. Nevertheless, even that very genuine moment is currently being reframed by deceptive narratives that indicate she is part of a larger Hollywood expose. It is becoming increasingly difficult to differentiate between reality and fiction because of the growing prevalence of artificial intelligence-generated material, voice cloning, and deepfake editing techniques. These techniques make fake films appear more and more authentic. Some of the videos that have gone viral and are purported to show Lawrence testifying in court are a compilation of earlier interviews that have been manipulated both visually and orally to seem and sound like film from a courtroom. In many instances, the makers even note in the tiny print that the video is fictional, hypothetical, or merely for entertainment. But by that time, the content has already been digested as reality by millions of people. It's not just the falsehood that's the issue. It's also the ease with which lies can spread across the internet, particularly when they are based on celebrities. A climate in which genuine court cases, such as those involving Harvey Weinstein, R. Kelly, and Tory Lanez, have revealed profound and unsettling facts about abuse, power, and silence in the entertainment industry, is one in which bogus stories merely serve to muddy the waters. By generating a fog of confusion, they divert attention away from actual survivors and actual accountability. Within this fog, every tale begins to feel suspicious, and the lines between justice and theater become dangerously thin. It was determined that there was no testimony in the case of Jennifer Lawrence, not a bombshell in the courtroom, a disgraceful quiet that cannot be broken. However, her name was brought up in the conversation regardless, which is a reminder of how little protection even the most influential public personalities have when it comes to misinformation that spreads like wildfire. We are no longer solely concerned with rumors about celebrities. It's about how the truth is being lost in this age of digital technology. If there is one thing that we should take away from this story, it is that discernment is now a skill that is necessary for survival. Questions like, where is this information coming from, need to be learned by the general population. Are there trustworthy sources that back up this claim? Does it appear on news platforms that have been verified? Furthermore, the most crucial question is it fair to the one who is at the center of the story? During the court proceedings, Jennifer Lawrence did not reveal anything. The internet, on the other hand, brought to light something much more significant: our rising propensity to believe without evidence, to consume without a sense of accountability, and to share without acknowledging responsibility. More than any other rumor, this should be a cause for concern for all of us. If you found this deep dive into the truth behind the Jennifer Lawrence courtroom hoax and the broader culture of celebrity misinformation enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your engagement helps push back against the wave of sensationalism that dominates our digital space. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Have you noticed how easily fake stories gain traction online? Which celebrity court cases made you question what's real and what's performative? Join the conversation, because now more than ever, critical thinking deserves a spotlight. Let's raise the standard together.